Want to know the secret to burning belly fat? Well, you're in the right place. It's no secret that what you put on your plate can significantly impact your waistline. Certain foods, believe it or not, can help you torch that stubborn belly fat. So stick around to discover the 7 foods that can help you burn belly fat and improve your overall health. First on our list is beans, a rich source of soluble fiber. Beans are like tiny little powerhouses filled to the brim with health benefits. They help to reduce inflammation in the digestive system, offering a soothing effect. But that's not all. Beans are also instrumental in weight loss. They keep you feeling full for longer, preventing overeating and unnecessary snacking. Plus, they're versatile and can be added to any meal. So, don't forget to add beans to your diet. Your belly will thank you. Next up is salmon, a fantastic source of polyunsaturated fats. This fish is more than just a delicious dinner option. It's a veritable fat swapper, helping you replace unhealthy saturated fats found in meat and dairy with healthier alternatives. Polyunsaturated fats, like those found in salmon, can aid in weight loss and support overall health. These good fats work to reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and even boost your brain function. So the next time you're planning your meals, consider swapping in some salmon. Remember, not all fats are bad. Choose the right ones like those found in salmon. Third on our list is fat-free yogurt, a great partner for weight loss. This creamy delight is not just a treat for your taste buds, but it's also a proven ally in your journey towards a healthier, leaner you. When combined with a reduced calorie diet, consuming fat-free yogurt can lead to significant fat and weight loss. It's a simple swap that can bring about complex benefits for your body. So, include fat-free yogurt in your diet and watch the pounds melt away. Bell peppers and citrus fruits high in vitamin C are next on our list. These vibrant veggies and zesty fruits are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for your health. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in burning fat. It aids in converting glucose into energy rather than storing it as fat. Moreover, it boosts your immune system, keeping you healthy while you shed those extra pounds. Bell peppers and citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are an excellent source of this vital nutrient. So, adding a little color and tang to your diet can help you lose that belly fat. Last but not least, we have broccoli and edamame, the nutrient champions. These green wonders are a powerhouse of fiber and nutrients that help in combating belly fat. Their high fiber content works wonders for your digestive system, reducing inflammation and aiding in weight loss. Moreover, they are packed with essential nutrients that not only contribute to overall health, but also play a crucial role in fat reduction. So, when it comes to these nutrient champions, it's never a bad idea to add a little extra green to your plate. So go green with your diet and enjoy the health benefits. So, there you have it, 7 foods that can help you burn belly fat. Let's do a quick recap. Beans, the fiber powerhouses, can help reduce inflammation in our digestive systems, while salmon, the fat swapper, lets us replace unhealthy saturated fats with beneficial polyunsaturated ones. Fat-free yogurt is a proven partner for weight loss when paired with a reduced calorie diet. Bell peppers and citrus fruits are our vitamin C heroes, fighting against belly fat. And let's not forget broccoli and edamame, the nutrient champions, packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Incorporating these foods into our diets can truly make a difference in our health and waistlines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay healthy and fit.